Alright, recording.
This is for the tractor ride. Quiero ser un pasajero en su tractor, por favor. No? Por please? Sí, I'll ride next to you and you can go around. 2 minutes. What do you say?
No?
You don't drive me around?
No puedes?
Taking pasajero un tractor, por favor. No? Yeah? Just one moment, real quick. 1 minute. No? Come on. Por favor. Por qué? Please? 2 minutes for the camera, come on.
No puedo. Todo un broma.
Please? Come on. Come on.
Eres muy tonto.
I just stand right here and you go
Eres
around.
muy tonto.
Yeah?
Dale vuelta, mae.
Come on.
This footage isn't very good.
Can you give me... Yeah? See? Yeah, why not? What do you say?
No puedes. Prohibido, see? Okay.
What do you say?
It's prohibited.
No, come on. It's not prohibited. No, just... I stand right here and you drive around real quick. Just up and then back.
Okay, is that good enough?
Come on.
Alright, you're confusing him, you're harassing him.
Yeah, beg him. I'm begging. Please.
Offer him a pizza. Oh, you bothered him. Hey, I'm stopping it.
Damn.